Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge of Chat GPT. I am very much excited to share my experience with you. If you are interested, please do subscribe my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the training and architecture of Chat GPT. In this video, we will take a closer look at the architecture of Chat GPT and how it was trained. Chat GPT is a language model based on the GPT the architecture which was introduced by OpenAI in 2018. The GPT architecture uses a transfer-based neutral network to process and generate natural language text. Chat GPT in particular is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture which was released in 2022 as a more focused version of GPT-3 specifically designed for conversational AI. ChatGPT has been trained on a dataset of conversational data, allowing it to generate responses that are more conversational and human-like in tone. But how effectively was ChatGPT trained? The training process for ChatGPT involved several steps. First, a large corpus of conversational data was gathered from various sources, including social media, chat logs, and web forums. This dataset was then proceed to improve any irrelevant or duplicate data. Next, the procedure dataset was to use to train the language model using a technique called learning in supervised learning. The model is not provided with an excellent example of correct or incorrect responses, but instead it learns to generate text based on parents and relations in the training data. During training, ChatGPT was exposed to millions of examples of conversational text, allowing it to learn and adapt to a wide variety of language patterns and structures. The training process was made possible by large-scale computing infrastructure and took several weeks to complete. The the resulting chat GPT model is capable of generating natural sounding responses to a wide range of conversational programs. Its architecture is optimized for generating text in a conversational style with sorry with features such as attention mechanism and positional that allow you to understand and generate contextually relevant responses. Overall, the training and architecture of ChatGPT represent a significant advancement in the field of natural language processing and have opened up new possibilities for conversational AI and other language related applications. ChatGPT has been trained on a large of conversation data, including chat logs, social media posts, and other sources of conversational text. This data set has been carefully treated to ensure that the model is exposed to a wide range of conversational style and topics. The training process for Chat GPT involving several steps. First, the model is initialized with random weights, then it is trained on the subset of the data set, while the goals of the predicting the text in the sequence. This data Chat GPT is done with using a technique called maximum likelihood estimation, which seeks to maximize the probability of the correct next word give the previous words in the sequence. Once the model has been trained on a subset of the data set, it is set to see how well it is generated to a new set. If the performance on the value validation set is good, the model is then fine tuned on the entire data set. So this is the about this video is about the information about the tips and other features. So please stay tuned with us.